Fit check. Hi everyone, come with me to Taiwan for a 7-day trip. As someone who loves taking a video nonchalantly. See you at the airport. So ayun guys, tapos na yung immigration and ngayon for now, nag-aantay na lang kami ng boarding time kasi mga 4 pa lang ngayon eh. Ang boarding time namin 6:40, 6:35 pa. Ayun, nag-wait na lang kami.
Please stand by for further announcement.
Mami,
Power banks in your personal pocket.
see you later. Hi everyone, we are now here in Taiwan. Hi guys, so now we're here in MRT para pumunta sa Taipei Station. Taiwan. Hi guys! So ngayon nandito na kami sa Ximending and na-drop na rin kami ng luggage dun sa hotel. So ngayon pupunta na lang kami sa Modern Toilet Restaurant. So see you there! Hi everyone! So ngayon, nag-change outfit na kami para sa paggagala. Kasi ngayon gagawin namin city tour lang. Outfit check. Tapos, ayun. Now, pupunta kami. Mag-iikot-ikot lang. Now, pupunta kami sa net. Hi guys! So kakagaling lang namin sa net. And ito, may nabili ako. Hello! So ngayon nandito kami sa famous na picturan. Yung rainbow. And Ximending Rainbow.
Rainbow Street.
Rainbow Street. We are now here. Hi everyone, we are now here in Taipei 101. Yung baby ko. Hi everyone, so ngayon pupunta tayo dun sa Rainbow Walk para mas makita yung Taipei 101 na building, which is ito. So we are now here in Rainbow Walk. I know. I love it. Hi guys. So right now, we're just taking a picture and then later, ang dinner namin, doon kami sa night market sa Ximending. So ayun, see you later when we are eating. Mag-vlog na lang ako ng mukbang. Hi everyone! Welcome to day 2. So ngayon wala pa masyadong tao kasi for today pupunta kami sa Wulay. I don't know if mahaba yung biyahe but I'll see you there. Look up. Fit check. Ayun lang. Haha. Bye. Hi guys! We are now here in Wulay Suspension Bridge. Hi guys! So now, nandito kami sa Wulay Lagcart kasi sasakay kami papuntang Wulay Waterfalls and then yung sa scenic train. Ito. now here in Kulay Waterfalls. So, dati manual lang siya. Like, ganyan. Tinutulak-tulak lang. The waterfalls, guys. Alright. Alright, nagka-climb kami. Pupunta sa cable park. Hi guys! So ngayon, pabalik na kami sa Taipei Station para mag-hit. And then, eto, sumakay kami ulit dun sa train. We're now here in Taipei 101. Nag-iikot lang kasi pumila kami for Din Tai Fung. So, ayun, we are done eating. Malalabat na yung mic ko, so siguro mga clips na lang, hindi na ako magtatalk. Mga clips na lang yung isasama ko. Bye, guys. Baka mamimiss nyo yung boses ko. Hi, guys. So, ngayon, we're on our way to Jufen and Sayeli. So, eto. So, ayun, I'll see you there kasi naka-ano kami ngayon, naka-joiners yata, I don't know, pero may tour kami ngayon. Goodbye. See you there. Hi guys, so ngayon nasa bus na kami and nag-wait kami kanina, mga 11 kami dumating sa station and then 11:38, mga 11:30 sumakay na kami sa bus and then ngayon umalis na kami.
Itim yan, kukulay na itim yung Hello, dumadaldal pa.
We are now here in YLUG Park. Papasok na kami. So, we're just walking papunta sa YLUG Park para mag-pictures. Meh. Hi guys! So now we're done taking a picture sa lahat ng spots. Actually, hindi. Hindi kami pupunta dun sa dulo. Kasi sobrang layo. So, and mahaba pila. Dun sa Queen's Head. And then, ngayon, we're going na sa bus. Yes! It's super init dito. Look, oh. Oh my gosh!
40, 35, 40 degrees already.
Yes. See you later at... Saan tayo mamaya?
Shifen
Shifen Old Street. Bye! Hi guys, we are now here in Shifen Old Street. Magpapalipad kami ng lantern. Let's go. So right now, nabili lang kami ng mga souvenirs. So we're gonna try the dinosaurs drinking tea in Shifen. Kaya trouble mo. Oh, ay! Yan ba yun? Ay, na ito, brown sugar milk tea. Brown sugar milk tea yung binili ko because that's my favorite. So, papunta rin kami sa waterfall. So, So we're now here sa falls and nakatulak kami.
Oh, we are here, right?
Hi guys.
Okay,
We're
thank
sa
you.
Water Falls
Hannah
and
Wallace
then
with
next na
us.
mag-research.
Okay, so friends,
See that. Hi guys, we are now here in Jiufen. Ito-try lang namin ito. Cheese milk stick. Taste test. Tinapay lang. So we're gonna try taste test. Nahalasa yung peanut. So guys, we're going back to the bus na para bumalik sa Taipei main station kasi pauwi na kami. Hi everyone, we are now back in Taipei main station and magdi-dinner lang kami and then babalik na sa hotel. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye.
You're where I wanna be, my darling, can't you